If you have been looking into what all-in-one marketing platform is the absolute cheapest and that will still fulfill all of your needs, you have probably come across System.io. And now recent news has actually shown that you can get it for even cheaper. Let me show you. Hello there, it's Thomas and I make videos about online side hustle business and the tools that you need for it. And in this video, I'm basically going to show you how you can get the cheapest all-in-one marketing software for even cheaper. So when I started to use System.io, you would need to pay $27 per month to get access to their cheapest plan, apart from the free plan. Right now it has decreased with $10 per month, and the yearly plan, which will give you 2 months for free, is $170 per year. When I first started, I needed to pay $197, and this was a one-time offer which gave me 40% off. But it doesn't stop there, because there is something even more peculiar about this price that you absolutely need to know. Oh, and by the way, if you want to get access to System.io and also receive 20 Make Money Online and business courses for free from me, then just visit the first link in the description box down below. So when I started, these were the yearly plans, so $228, $396 and $828 per year. And now when you look at the price right here, for the webinar and unlimited plan, it is actually more. But is it? Because there was something that I found out when I checked out, basically just to try and see if everything still worked the same. And I found something. So when you go right here, it will say save 2 months on your System.io plan. And when you scroll down, and this is one of the main pain points that a lot of people had with System.io. That was that the price that was being shown did not yet include sales tax. What you needed to do to get rid of the sales tax was you would need to order as a company and fill in your VAT number. But right now, if we scroll down, we can see the annual unlimited plan is $970 per year, but the sales tax is $168.35 per year, and the total price is still $970 per year. So if we grab our calculator and we do 970 minus 168.35, the price is $801.65. And if we take a look at the price that it was before, that means that it is actually almost $27 cheaper. Now there is one downside to this story, which most stories have, which is that if you fill in your VAT number, which I've done right here, the price is still $970, which means that if you fill in your VAT number right now, nothing changes. But for most people that don't have a VAT number and are just trying to make some money online, this is actually pretty amazing, because you don't have to pay the VAT anymore, and it is included in the price for every single plan. So the price has gone up, but you are paying 21% less, which means that for some reason Aurelian has made the price of an amazing platform cheaper in a time where everyone is raising their prices. So if you haven't already got a System.io account, be sure to visit the link down below in the description. And even if you have a System.io account, check it below as well, because I've got something for you as well. And I will give you access to 20 Make Money Online and business courses if you follow the simple instructions on that page. And now if you ever get stuck with System.io, then I have got an A to Z tutorial right here that will give you all of the information that you need. But for now, have a great day and till next time.